my intro. I scripted 4 different intros. Let me know in the comments down below which one you like the best. Do you like wine? Do you like to drink wine? Would you like to invest in wine? Well, have you ever thought about investing in wineries? I'm talking about wineries that specialize in the art of winemaking. I have spent the last week researching it, and today I present to you a condensed 10-minute analysis. Let's talk about wine. I'm not talking about buying it or even drinking it, but investing in wineries that produce it, that treat it like a craft and operate in the greatest wine regions in the world. I spent the last week researching how to do just that, and today I present to you a condensed 10-minute analysis. So drink up. Who's thirsty? If it's you, sit back and maybe pour yourself a glass of wine, because today is a deep dive into how you can invest in an industry ripe with barrel-aged profits. Today is all about demystifying how to invest in wine. The wineries, the bottles themselves, the conglomerates. I've done all the exhausting research, and warning, this investment isn't for everybody. But if you've ever wondered how to get fine wine into your portfolio, I am here with the answers. 400 million cases of wine sold in the US alone every year. 400 million. Take a moment and imagine how much revenue those wineries generate each year. And people didn't stop drinking wine even during the pandemic. They drank more. I know I did. I don't know about you, but I think investing in wineries is good. Let me show you what I mean by that.